Hi friends, today for science we did a review from last week and you remembered what the words transparent, translucent, and opaque mean. Today we're only going to focus on transparent objects. So what you're going to do after you watch the video is click on the Google form, type your first and last name, and you're going to complete a sentence and draw a picture to match. And your sentence is going to say, an object that is transparent is blank. So transparent means you can see through it clearly. You can see through it all the way. So you're going to think of some objects that are transparent or that you can see through, and you're going to draw a picture of the item on a piece of paper and write the sentence, an object that is transparent is blank. And you're going to fill in that blank with the name of the object. And then you're going to upload a picture of your work to this Google form or text a picture of your work to your teacher. Now, for example, I could write, an object that is transparent is, I could say, my glasses. I can see through my glasses clearly. They are transparent. And then I could draw a picture of my glasses to match. If you're having a hard time thinking of objects that are transparent, go back and watch the video. There were lots of examples in the video, and you can use one of the examples that he talked about.